Good afternoon, this is Airpost Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for Friday. And today I thought we learn a little bit about the birthday spirit animals assigned to each zodiac. And that system is built on the Native American zodiac way of thinking. It gives us two birthday dates. One is relating to the northern hemisphere. I have trouble today with the northern hemisphere. And one is relating to the southern hemisphere. And that way you can better find your true birthday spirit animal. And my reading is relating to the northern hemisphere zodiac, but I give you both dates. Okay, so now we come to the sign Aries. And Aries, if you are born either in the northern hemisphere, then the date is March 21st to April 19, or the southern hemisphere, September 23rd to October 22nd. Then your birthday spirit animal is the red hawk. And sorry to say, I only found one card in all my decks showing a hawk. So that one, the red hawk, appears during the season called awakening. The red hawk has an excellent long-distance vision and is an excellent hunter. The red hawk is observant and patient and scans the ground for prey while soaring through the air in wide circles high above the sky. So the red hawks, they rest also in trees and wait for a chance to see something moving on the ground so they can attack quickly and silently. When red hawk is your birthday spirit animal, you are intelligent, independent, adaptable, and spiritually aware. Like this bird, you enjoy your freedom, you are patient, you are observant, and you have a sharp eyesight for a good judgment of things. That was your reading, Aries. Thank you for listening. I do wish you a wonderful Friday. I wish you a wonderful weekend. I'm sending out love. Take care and goodbye.